Hello fellow compounders, welcome back. In a recent video about building a portfolio that earns $60,000 in annual dividends, I got several comments asking how to accumulate the $2 million needed to build that dividend portfolio. So this video is one of many answers to that quest. We'll journey alongside Liz Marie, a bright young professional, on her quest to amass or accumulate a $2 million portfolio. We'll unravel the secrets to building significant wealth and provide a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not your financial advisor and you are responsible for your own financial decisions. Meet Liz Marie, a recent college graduate who just started a job at a high-tech company earning $120,000 annually. She represents the aspirations and challenges faced by many in their financial journey. Today, we turn her story into a blueprint for success. Achieving a $2 million portfolio is no small feat. It requires strategy, discipline, and financial acumen. How does one go from earning a salary to becoming a millionaire? Let's start by setting the foundation for Liz's financial growth. Step 1. Liz begins by assessing her financial situation, setting clear goals, creating a budget, and building an emergency fund. This step is crucial to prepare for any unexpected expenses and to have a clear map for her investments. Step 2. Maximizing earnings. With a solid foundation in place, Liz focuses on maximizing her earnings. She's committed to enhancing her skills, pursuing career advancements, and possibly exploring side hustles. Every extra dollar earned is a step closer to her $2 million goal. Now, let's talk about minimizing expenses. Liz understands the importance of living within her means. She differentiates between needs and wants, opting for a modest lifestyle. The approach is not deprivation, but about making smart choices to free up more money for savings. Step 3. Start saving and investing. With a budget in place and expenses in check, Liz starts her savings journey. She aims to save at least 30% of her after-tax income. For Liz, this means around $2,000 a month, which she diligently puts into a diversified investment account. Step 4. Reaching the first $100,000. Here's where Charlie Munger's wisdom comes in. He famously said, "The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it." And Liz is ready for the challenge. Through consistent savings and investing in a low-cost S&P 500 ETF like Vanguard's VOO, she's on her way to her first major milestone. Step 5. Expanding investment strategy. Once Liz hits her $100,000 goal, she doesn't stop there. She plans to diversify her portfolio using a core satellite approach. This means investing in a mix of broad market ETFs and specific sector ETFs, balancing stability with growth potential. As Liz's savings grow, so does her investment savvy. She adopts a core satellite portfolio approach. The core, consisting of broad-based ETFs, provides diversified exposure to the market. It's her financial bedrock. For her core portfolio, Liz selects ETFs like VTI for US stocks and VXUS for international stocks, ensuring global diversification. She adds a bond ETF like BND to balance risk. This mix offers both growth potential and risk mitigation. In her satellite portfolio, Liz targets specific market segments. She includes ETFs like COWZ, COWZ for value stocks, CALF, that's CALF for small cap growth, SCHD for dividend yields, and BGT for tech sector exposure. These choices reflect her personal investment thesis and risk tolerance. Step 6. Consistent growth and portfolio management. Liz continues her $2,000 monthly investment, increasing them as her salary grows. She regularly rebalances her portfolio to maintain her desired allocation, keeping her on track towards the $2 million goal. Liz knows the importance of staying the course despite the market ups and downs. She resists the urge to time the market, focusing instead on the long-term growth. Her disciplined approach is crucial in navigating through different market cycles. Achieving a $2 million portfolio isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Liz prepares herself for a long-term investment journey, understanding that patience and persistence are her greatest allies. Step 7. Accelerating wealth accumulation. As Liz's career progresses, she sees salary increases and bonuses. She smartly uses these to boost her investment contributions. This acceleration is key to compounding her wealth more rapidly. Liz experiences the magic of compounding firsthand. Her investments start to grow exponentially, not just from her contributions, but from the reinvestment of dividends and capital gains. This is where hard work starts to pay off. Step 8. Maintaining discipline and focus. Despite her growing wealth, Liz remains disciplined. She continues to manage her expenses, rebalances her portfolio annually, and stays informed about market trends. She resists lifestyle inflation, keeping her eyes on the ultimate prize, the $2 million goal. Fast forward, and Liz reaches her $2 million goal. It's a moment of triumph, a testament to her dedication and smart financial planning. This journey, spanning roughly 20 years, showcases the power of consistent saving and strategic investing. Now, let's quickly recap how you can apply these steps to build your own $2 million portfolio. Step 1. Establish a solid financial foundation. Set goals, budget wisely, and create an emergency fund. Step 2. Maximize your earnings through skill enhancement, career growth, and possibly side hustles. Step 3. Manage expenses smartly, prioritize needs over wants, and increase your savings rate. Step 4. Begin saving and investing. Aim to save 20 to 30% of your income, focusing on diversified investments like index funds or ETFs. Step 5. Aim for your first $100,000. Remember Munger's advice. The first 100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. Step 6. Diversify with a core satellite investment strategy for balanced growth and risk management. Step 7. Upscale your investment as your income grows, leveraging compound interest. Step 8. Stay disciplined and focused. Regularly review your strategy, adapt as needed, and keep your eyes on the long-term prize. And that's your quick guide to building a $2 million portfolio. Liz Marie's story is a blueprint for financial success. Remember, it's not about the income you earn, but how you save, invest, and grow it. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember to always be compounding. See you in the next video. Take care.